So I'm going to remove a pup from this Pilea. I've chosen one which is near the edge because they're the easiest to remove. Chosen one which has got really strong roots. I'm just going to grab it quite gently from behind and I'm going to give it a bit of a tug. It's attached by its big root, so you can either use a pair of snips to cut it off or just twist it quite gently like this, and so it comes away in your hand. All looks good. That was easy. Just going to put a little bit of compost in the bottom of the pot to start with. There we go. I'm using a mixture of general purpose houseplant compost with extra perlite for good drainage. And I'm just popping some soil in around the side to make sure the plant stands up really nicely inside its pot. And I think I need a little bit more just to make sure it's nice and firm in there. That's it, push it down. Ta-da!